students. Now we'll discuss the mainly chemical properties of benzene. We know benzene is aromatic compound, has pi bond conjugation, and this due to pi bond conjugation, you see the structure of benzene, that this is the pi bond conjugation of benzene. Due to this pi bond conjugation, the pi bond is not fixed, so it does not show addition reaction because due to pi bond conjugation. Rather, it shows electrophilic substitution reaction. Mainly shows benzene shows electrophilic substitution reaction. This is very important. ESR, electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene, because as it has pi bond, so pi electron cloud attracts electrophiles and the electrophiles get substituted in place of hydrogen. So generally benzene shows electrophilic substitution reactions, but under some conditions, special conditions, it shows addition reaction, but it has very reluctant to show addition reaction because the pi bond is circulating. The pi bond is circulating throughout the ring. It involved in resonance. So pi bond conjugation, so it cannot show addition reaction, but it shows electrophilic substitution reaction. What are these different chemical properties of benzene? Let us discuss. First, that is important reaction of benzene, that halogenation reactions. We can choose halogenation. Halogenation means that substitution of halogen. The electrophile halogen gets substituted in the benzene. What are these reactions? If you see, for example, benzene with, let it be chlorine, benzene with chlorine, and this reaction takes place in presence of ferric chloride or aluminium chloride, and this acts as a Lewis acid. Ferric chloride and aluminum chloride acts as a Lewis acid. It produces the electrophile, that is Cl+. The electrophile produces Cl+, and this Cl+ is called chloronium ion and gets substituted in benzene, forming chlorobenzene. That is chlorobenzene. This is called halogenation, or it is called chlorination. Mainly it takes place in presence of Lewis acid. Lewis acid means having vacant orbital, it produces Cl+ from Cl2. So this is called halogenation. Then similarly we can know that is nitrations. That is also, this reaction takes place in presence of nitric acids and sulfuric acid. This nitric acid and sulfuric acid, it produces NO2+. It produces NO2+. So, and sulfuric acid produces H+ ion. This H+ ion taken by nitric acid, then nitric acid loses water molecule and produce nitronium ion. This nitronium ion gets substituted in benzene, forming nitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene. This is called nitration. Similarly, the reaction also called sulfonation. This is sulfonation, mainly takes place in presence of mainly sulfuric acids. If you take benzene plus concentrated sulfuric acid, then it will produce SO3 as a electrophiles, because SO3 due to double bond character of oxygen and sulfur, it has resonance, so sulfur become electron deficient, so it acts as a electrophiles and gets substituted as SO3H, that is benzene sulfonic acid is formed, and the mechanism we will discuss in the next lesson. So substitution of sulfonic group, that is called sulfonation. Substitution of nitro group, that is nitration. Sulfonation of halogen is called halogenation. and the reactivity order is, that is fluorine greater than chlorine greater than bromine greater than iodine, and iodination is very slow, the reaction is reversible, and like your alkane you have read, this reaction, the reaction become faster if you use in presence of nitric acid or iodic acid, then iodination will be faster, because iodination is very slow, and to increase the speed of reaction we can use nitric acid or iodic acid, which oxidizes HI produced to I2, so reaction will be faster. Then nitration, sulfonation, very another important electrophilic substance reaction is Friedel-Crafts, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation. This is also very important. Friedel-Crafts acylation or alkylation, and here substitution of alkyl group or acyl group. For example, you can take like this. This is your benzene. Benzene in presence of RX. RX is your haloalkane in presence of aluminum chloride. Here aluminum chloride or ferric chloride, very important, acts as a Lewis acid. It produces R+. R+ is your electrophile and gets substituted in benzene, forming higher aromatic compounds. That is alkyl derivative of aromatic compounds will be formed. This is called alkylation. This reaction is called alkylation. If the reaction takes place in presence of acetyl halides, RCOX, acid halides, similarly in presence of aluminum chloride, and if here RCO plus as a electrophiles gets substituted in benzene, forming aromatic ketones. So this is called acylation. Second reaction is called acylation, and the first reaction is called alkylation. Substitution of alkyl group, this is called alkylation. Substitution of acyl group, RCO group, that is called acylation. These are called Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, sulfonation, nitration, halogenation. These are very important electrophilic substitution reaction, very common electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic compounds. Besides these aromatic reactions, that electrophilic substitution reaction, benzene shows addition reaction under certain conditions. What are the addition reactions of benzene? Let us discuss. Addition reaction, this reaction that we discuss, electrophilic substitution reactions. But now we'll discuss addition reactions. Addition reaction of benzene. Benzene, as it has pi bonds, under certain conditions, the pi bond can be involved in the formation of addition product. What are these? Similarly, same like your alkene and alkyne. If benzene undergo addition reaction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, on heating, it produces cyclohexane. This is one addition product of benzene. And if benzene is used, if benzene is in presence of fluorine and light, in presence of chlorine light, it also undergoes addition reaction. The 3 pi bonds gets added, and this O carbon atom, this here what happens, this addition reaction due to the involvement of pi bonds, here pi bond, 3 pi bonds, so 3 molecule of chlorine involved in addition reaction in presence of light, forming, this is called benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride. This is called benzene hexachloride. And this BSC gamma isomer, its gamma isomer called as gamaxine. Now we are using as insecticides, gamaxine. So this is the addition reaction of benzene. And one important thing that halogenation that we have discussed, this reaction, don't be confused, same reactions. If you take benzene and chlorine in presence of iron and a dark condition, if you take it, undergoes substitution reactions forming here all 6 hydrogen atom of benzene gets substituted by chlorine and forming, that is hexachlorobenzene. This is called hexachlorobenzene. This is the difference between these two, very important. Benzene, chlorine in presence of light, that is called BSC, benzene hexachloride. This is addition. This is addition reaction. This is addition reaction. But benzene, chlorine in presence of iron in dark, that is substitution. That reaction is substitution product. That is hexachlorobenzene. So this is the difference between the halogenation, that halogenation in presence of light, and halogenation in presence of dark. This is the difference between addition reaction and substitution reaction of benzene. Now we will discuss some other reaction. You complete this, now you will proceed the next step. Okay, same benzene. When this same benzene treated with hydrogen undergo addition reaction, but here this addition reaction takes place mainly by sodium and ammonia. Here reaction takes place sodium and ammonia. That is called Birch reductions. This is called Birch reduction. Sodium and liquid ammonia and produce one addition product. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 1, 4. That is, here what happens, this cyclohexene, this is 1 and 4 cyclohexadiene, that is 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4 cyclohexadiene is formed. This is called Birch reduction. This is called Birch reductions. This is special type of addition reactions and forming diene. That is, diene is formed. Benzene convert to diene. You have to remember this is special. That is one type of addition reaction. Then what are the combustion reaction? What are the combustion reaction? What are the oxidation reaction of benzene? We will discuss. Oxidation reaction. What are the oxidation reaction of benzene? Let us discuss. The oxidation reaction already know, C6H6 when born in presence of oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water. And during burning of benzene, it produce heat and also soot. Sooty flame. Sooty flame is produced. This indicates the compound is aromatics. And benzene cannot be oxidized by KMnO4, either acidic condition or KMnO4 and basic condition, no reactions. Benzene cannot be oxidized by potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate because the pi bond is delocalized continuously. As it is delocalized throughout in the ring, so it cannot be oxidized by potassium permanganate in acidic or basic medium. But benzene can be oxidized. Benzene can be oxidized in presence of vanadium pentoxide. If it oxidize vanadium pentoxide on heating, forming that is malic acids. This is called malic acid. Which on heating produce, that is malic anhydride. The bond is like this: CH, CO, here CO, has 2O. This type of bond that is called malic anhydride. This is called malic anhydride, and it is produced from malic acids. This is also one oxidation of benzene, and benzene can be oxidized by ozone. Ozone also oxidize benzene to, in place of ozone, then like your alkene alkyne, then second step zinc and water on hydrolysis, the product is CHO, 3 molecule glycol. Glycol is produced. That we know when it added, then it will produce this double bond. This double bond convert to this side O, and this double bond it breaks, and here also breaks, here also breaks. So O, 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 O. So resulting CHO, that this side is CHO, this side is CHO, CHO, and forming how many? 3 molecule of glycol is formed from benzene. This is also called ozonolysis. This is called also ozonolysis. Ozonolysis. Like your alkene, already you have read. Alkene undergo ozonolysis, it produce corresponding aldehyde or ketones. Here same benzene produce the ozonolysis product as aldehyde, that is glycol. So oxidation of benzene by ozone and direct oxidation, then oxidation of benzene by KMnO4 or in acidic and basic medium generally does not take place because the pi bond is undergo resonance, involving resonance, delocalization, so it cannot be oxidized by potassium permanganate. So this is some important reaction of benzene. So benzene generally gives electrophilic substitution reaction due to presence of pi electron clouds, but under certain conditions benzene also shows addition reaction, but it is very reluctant to show addition reaction because the pi bond is not fixed. It involves in resonance with the benzene. That's why it generally do not show addition reaction, but under certain conditions it shows addition reaction. And benzene on oxidations forming different product, direct combustion, and generally it is not oxidized by KMnO4 because the pi bond is not fixed. But ozone can oxidize benzene to glycol. This is the ozonolysis. So these are some important chemical properties of benzene. So you practice this thing is very important for your examination and for your complete examination, and it requires writing practice also. So you see the difference between, you may be confused, hexachlorobenzene and BSC. Structure is almost same, but the only difference is here it has remaining pi bonds, it has no pi bond. It is the addition product, it is the substitution product. So you have to see the difference. Okay, thank you all.